So today we will discuss block deals and bug deals. You must have recently heard these terms in news articles that Kotak Mahindra Bank and HDFC went through some block deals. So what exactly are these and what is the difference between two? So moving on, block deals. What is a block deal? It is a trade with a minimum quantity of 500,000 shares or minimum value of rupees 5 crores executed through a single transaction. So key terms here are single transaction, minimum value of 5 crores, minimum quantity of 500,000 shares. What is a bulk deal? It is a trade where total quantity bought or sold is more than 0.5% of the number of equity shares of the company. Going back to block deals, in block deals, two parties agreed to buy or sell shares at an agreed price among themselves beforehand, whereas in bulk deal, it is market driven, they don't decide anything beforehand. Block deals happen in a separate trading window of 35 minutes duration from 9:15 a.m. to 9:50 a.m., whereas bulk deal happen in normal trading hours. Block deals are not visible to everyone, bulk deals are visible to everyone. For both block deals and bulk deals, a broker is supposed to notify exchange in advance with all the information, and block data for block deals and bulk deals are disclosed on the same day post trading hours, and it is available on NSE and BSE website, which we will go one by one. Before moving to the websites, I would like to make a point that if you want a complete list of block deals or bulk deals, check both BSE and NSE website because they contain different data because they have different depositories. So for an exhaustive list, take both data of both website BSE and NSE. So moving on to NSE website. So yeah, so first, yeah. So first we will see NSE website. Here you can select bulk deals or block deals and select a period or a date. So I'm taking 1st of May to 12th of June and click on get data. So the data will get populated. You can download it in CSV file as well. And in the buy sell you can see who sold their stakes and who bought it. Similarly, on the BSE website, you can select a bulk deals block deal, check all market box, put the deal filter and click on submit, and you can see all the deals here. Here P means purchased, S means sold. So for a retail investor, what can we get out of a bulk deal or a block deal? So let's say when there are multiple block deals happening in a particular stock, it means that the big investors are interested in that stock, which can be viewed as market is showing confidence towards that stock and can be taken as the stock price might rise in the near future, but it is not necessary. I'll show you two examples where in one the stock price plunged after the block deal, whereas in the other stock price surged. So this is an article from Economics Times. HDFC Life plunges 7% on block deal, and another recent article of Kotak Mahindra Bank surges 5% after the block deal. So it is not necessary that the stock price will surge. It depends on a lot of factor. So that's it in the block deal section. Thank you.